Now, today I shall try to find out the area of the triangle ABC whose coordinates are given x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. How to calculate the area of the triangle? Now, x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash are the axes meet at the point O and coordinate of the point O is 0, 0. No problem. Now, we draw from B, A and C three perpendicular on the axis of x, that is BM, AN, CR respectively. Okay. Now, area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the trapezium ABMN, ABMN plus area of the trapezium ANRC minus area of the trapezium BMRC. Clear or not? Now, we know that the area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the line, parallel line, that is BM plus at line BM plus AN into height, distance between two parallel lines, that is MN. No problem, that is MN. Next, go to plus trapezium of ANRC, that is equal to half into AN plus RC into height, that is NR. No problem. And area of the trapezium minus of a minus half of area of the trapezium BMRC, that is half of BM plus CR into MR. Clear or not? MR. Clear? Okay. Now, half common to all. Now, BM plus AN. What is BM? BM is Y1. BM is Y1. BM plus AN. AN is Y3. Yes or no? Y1. Y1 plus Y3 into MN. MN means x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1. Any confusion?
No.
Next, go to the next. AN. What is AN? AN is Y3. Y3 plus RC. RC, that is Y2 into NR. NR. This plus this into NR. NR means OR minus ON. OR, that is X2. OR minus ON. X3. Clear? Y3 plus Y2 into X2 minus X3. And next, minus BM. What is BM? BM, that is Y1 plus BM plus CR Y2 into, go to the next, we have to find out the value of MR. MR means OR minus OM, that is X3 minus X2 minus X1. X2 minus X1. Clear? And go to next half. Multiply x3 y1 plus no dot minus no dot minus x1 y3. First step is complete. Go to next. x2 y3 plus x2 by 2. Go to next, minus next minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2 minus plus x1 no minus plus same quantity will be cancelled. Now x1 x3 y1, there will be an x3 y1, x1 y3. Where is x1 y3? x1 y3 no, x2 y2 anywhere, x2 y2, yes, x2 y2 no, very critical, mind it. Okay, x2 y2, x1 y3, x3 y3 এদিকে x3 y3, there be x3 y3. Next x2 y2 cancel হয়ে গেছে, x2 y2 cancelled, x1 y1 anywhere, yes, no problem, x1 y1. Go to the next, that equal to half, x1 multiply করো, x1 into common now y2 minus y3 আছে কিনা দেখো, x1 into x1 into x1 into এদিকে x1 into y2 minus y3, clear, plus x2 into y3 minus y1, দেখো y3 minus x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus plus x3 into x3 common, x3 কোথায়, x3 চলে গেছে, x3 into x3 কোথায় গেল, x3 into y1 minus y2, x3 into y1 minus y2, এই যে y2 হয়েছে কি পেলাম, x2 টা কোথায়, x2 y3 কোথায় আছে দেখো, x2 y3 minus x2 y1 কোথায় আছে, x2 y1, এই যে x2 y1, all complete, এক কথা না, no talk please. Now that is the, if we consider the point anticlockwise, direction যদি আমি point go consider, if we consider the point in the anticlockwise, then the area of the triangle will be positive. When after calculation the area of the triangle is negative, then obviously that points consider in the clockwise direction. So to remove from this anxiety, when we apply the formula, suppose we use a mod sign, mod of total of the mod. If there be a negative, mod of minus 5, mod of x is equal to x when x greater than 0, whereas minus x when x less than 0. Overall mod x is positive, therefore area will be, triangle will be always, area of the triangle will be positive. Now the points, we calculate if the points, the area of the triangle easily can, now it consider as x1 y1, it consider as x2 y2, and it consider as x3 y3. We can easily, applying this formula, we have to find out the area of the triangle. Clear? If 3 points are given, easily we can find out the area of the triangle. Now given that 0 0 4 minus 3 x y are 3 points which are collinear, then what is the value of x and y? Now Now area, no talk. Area is equal to half mod x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x, no dot, y minus y, and okay, এদিকে now the points, if we consider x1 y1 is equal to 0 0, we consider x2 y2 is equal to 4 minus 3, এদিকে next x3 y3 is equal to x y debit y debit, no, that is equal to half x1 বলেছি 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 3 1 2, putting the value up, that's the same formula. Now putting the, now we apply mod x1, what is x1? 0, x1 0 into y2 minus y3 minus 3 minus 3 minus y plus x2 minus 4 4 into y3 minus y1 y minus 0 plus x3 means x into y1 minus y2 0 minus 1 plus 3 mod, that is equal to half mod 0 4y plus 3x, this 4y plus 3x, the 3x plus 4y is equal to 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, therefore 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, that is the required, that will be the required, that will be the required relation. Okay, huh? Okay, এতক্ষণে আসছো ও বাক কেন, যা যাবো, যা যাচ্ছি যা সন্দীপ যাচ্ছে।